in the last lesson we have built a little app to make quiz in using a window with tkinter in Python, and so we want to make some changes on the label so that they look nicer, because as you've seen in the previous video, in the lesson number 6, we had this result here, and you see when we clicked on the labels, we could read in the console if it was right or wrong. Now we want to change all that gray and black thing, and we want to make some look it nicer, so we are going to add this self.label configure in the question class, font equal Arial, and we want to put the size here 14. Here it is, we got in black the question, and now we want to make some other changes. You can put orange into the font style like this. In fact, I'm gonna change this into FG, or maybe yes, the foreground color in orange. As you can see, it has changed, but it's quite light, so put something darker, like what is in a dark red, and then we are gonna copy and paste the same thing in the class for the answer label, but I want to make it, instead of dark red, I want to make it blue, and instead of 14 I'll put 12, so a little smaller. Here it is. If I click, it's alright. And now I want to add just some interaction when we press the button on the label. We want something to happen. So instead of calling an outside function, we wanna put a function inside our class, so that I can make different classes for each different functions for each label. So for the answer, I'll have this kind of function that will check if I click on it. So I do my function print answer, and I copy this code in the outside function that I used before. Now there's something wrong, because here so see the indentation doesn't work because I forget to put def before the name of the function, and so you know that in Python the indentation is fundamental, because it won't work. So I will put def into this, and so everything works fine like before for the question. Okay, but let's make sure that it goes into the self.print answer function, so the method inside of the class instead of the function outside of the class like we did before. So I'm gonna make some change on the label. So we are going to experiment a little bit more about the label, and I want to change maybe the foreground or the background color when we click, so that we can see where we click. And you see, here it is, it became gray when you click just on the right answer, because we put that in if the answer is right, when the answer with asterisk. And for now we have finished it, and we will see you at the next lesson.